So the way grid is a bit more complicated, but not really. So the way you play it is you have this number at the top and you have to place it anywhere on the available squares you have. At the start of the game, all the squares are empty. So we're just going to place it here. So the way this game works is you have to place numbers that divide each other. And if they divide each other, they get summed. So for example, 5 is not divided by 2. So if you place it next to 2, next to the 5, nothing's going to happen. But in this example, we have number 2 and also number 2. So if we place number 2 here, it can 2 is divided by 2, so it will get summed. This square will become 4, so let's place it. Okay, so in this case we have 4. We have 1. It can be divided by, all 5 can be divided by 1 and 4. So if you place it here, it will get combined with the 4. If you place it here, it will get combined with the 4 again. If you place it here with the 5, right, it gets combined if it's placed cross, basically. If you place it here, nothing will happen. 1 will just appear there in that box. So the whole point of the game is you get to the highest score possible, so the highest number on the screen you can get to, and the game ends basically when you don't have any more squares available to place numbers into. Okay, so another thing, let's say we place 1 in here. We want to combine it with 4 because 4 gets divided by 1, or here. So 1 will be summed into 4, and this box will become 5. But because 5 can be divided by 5, we will combine basically 1 plus 4, and then 5, it becomes 5, and then 5 plus 5 becomes 10. So we have one box that is 10. That's how the game basically works. I hope I haven't missed any of the logic. So yeah, let's just play the whole game. Maybe I'm missing something. So 10 is not divided by 6, but we're just gonna place 6 next to 10 because we don't have any where else to play. Like, there's no better option. Okay, we can either choose to combine 1 plus 6 or 1 plus 10 because both 10 and 6 is divided by 1, or we can simply just place it here if you don't want it to get combined with any other squares. Okay, let's just combine it with 10. Okay, 7. Okay, 14. Okay, it doesn't get divided by anything. Let's just place it here. Okay, 12. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, so in here, if we place 1 in the middle, both 11 is divided by 1 and 4 is divided by 1. So if you have two options, the lowest number basically will get summed. So you have either 11 or 4. If you place it in here, 1 will get summed with the lowest number. Okay, 8. Okay, 3, we can place 3 here. It will be combined with summed with 12. Okay, 4, 12. Okay, 14. Again, you have two options, either 14 or 12. It will go to the lowest number, which is 12. Okay. Okay, we have no options. No options. 7. Okay, if you have two numbers which are identical, the number will be summed clockwise. So basically, first option will be, I guess, well, it will be like this: top, right, bottom, left, I guess. Okay, so let's just add random numbers until we just finish the game. So let's just keep adding things. Okay, so at this point, I think we neither 28, 7, or 17 is divided by 9. So if we place, I mean, we don't have any other squares available, but when we place 9 in here, the game will end, and our score will be 28. Okay, so that's how you play it, and yeah, these are the rules of the game.